Chathu, you have to say it properly. You have to say it properly. The Croque Monsieur. Croque Monsieur. Croque Monsieur. What a shame of this guy. He had been working with French people for many years, but he doesn't know how to say Croque Monsieur properly. That shame. Hi guys, it's Chathu. Welcome to the channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the iconic traditional French widely famous Croque Monsieur. Well, I don't know I say it properly. The Croque Monsieur. It doesn't matter as long as I know how to do it. Anyway, this is a super easy recipe. In fact, it's gonna take only less than 20 minutes. You can make it for the breakfast, lunch or dinner or whatever, even for snacks. It's entirely up to you. It's super easy, super simple. It's just bechamel, ham. If you don't have ham, if you don't like ham, you can use turkey or salami or any smoked meat apart from ham or the pork products. It's bechamel, ham, bread and cheese. That's it. And also how we gonna get all these ingredients together. That's all about it. Let's make it. Why did I say let's make it? That is so stupid. Why did I say let's make it when I do the recipe? First thing first guys, we're gonna need some melted butter. It's gonna go in the microwave till it melts. Cut off the outer layer of the bread and save these for the breakfast. You can have this with soft boiled eggs. And then brush both sides with melted butter. Guys, this goes into the preheated oven, 180, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, but most probably halfway I will flip the bread. You might be thinking, what type of bread should I use? Well, the answer is you can use brioche, you can use sourdough, milk bread, brown bread, whatever the bread that you like. I know it's out of the tradition, but you don't have to follow the tradition. You have to follow whatever you like, you know. That's how it is. And I know this is pink and it doesn't mean anything. Let's go make bechamel. Get a thick bottom pan over stove top on medium heat. Once it's hot, add 20 gram of butter. Once butter melted, add 20 gram of flour. This is also known as roux. We are making white roux in order to make bechamel. The roux for about 2 minutes, constantly stirring. And when you're done with 2 minutes, dump all 250 milliliter of milk while stirring using a whisk. Stir frequently till it become boil. Once it's boiling, you can switch off the fire. The sauce is done. You can see it start to thicken up. Now you can switch off the fire. Sauce is pretty much done. Remaining part is seasoning. Kosher salt up to your liking, and some cracked black pepper, nutmeg, bechamel. It's like best friends, and some parmesan cheese to boost the flavor. That's it. Give it a good mix and voila, your sauce is ready. And also be sure to check out the recipe in the description. Recipe in the description. Here we go guys. Let's assemble this. Spread the almighty delicious bechamel all over the toast, only the top side evenly, using a spatula or whatever you are comfortable of using. After the bechamel, a layer of cheese. Cheese also will act like a glue in order to hold the sandwich. and then ham, and then this slice gonna go over, right? Push it a little bit on top of the sandwich. One more layer of bechamel, and then one more layer of cheese. Perfect. I am using here Gruyère cheese, but you can also use Emmental as well as cheddar or any other cheese that you would like to use. Here, to be honest, I did not have any ham. I could not find where I live, so I use smoked turkey. That's what I use here. And if you wanna make traditional recipe, you must use ham. Ham basically pork, so you have to use if you wanna make the traditional recipe. Only switch on the broiler, not this one, and don't go so close to it. I wanted to make perfect round fried egg or sunny side up egg for the croque madame, but I did not have one of these steel rings that we have in the kitchens usually, we find. But I came up with a solution to make it with aluminium foil in order to make a perfect round fried egg. While sandwich get ready in the oven, let's make the quick fried egg. Absolutely phenomenal croque monsieur. When you add a fried egg on top of it, it's gonna be croque madame. Croque madame, croque monsieur. Madame. Croque monsieur, croque madame. Crispy madam, crispy mister. Crispy mister, crispy missus. Guys, let's test. I had to take thumbnail pictures and a lot of drama. Absolutely phenomenal. So delicious. Well guys, that is the conclusion of a successful, delicious, traditional French sandwich. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this and you enjoyed the video. And most importantly, I highly believe I was able to teach you something in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, or whatever, do whatever you like, as long as you stay hungry, foolish and healthy. Most importantly, foolish. That is very important. See you guys. See you in the next video. Take care. Why do I do this? Peace.